What's going on, individuals? Today I'll be showing you my current hairstyle and how I get it cut along with the dimensions. Kicking it off, Jeff, my barber, immediately went in and started skin fading the sides and back. And then, as you can see, we went into the crown and cut it a bit shorter than usual while blending it in to the top. And the crown is around 2 inches in length. As Jeff continued to blend in the sides and back into the crown, I decided not to have anything cut off of the top. I've been pretty much growing it out from a buzz cut for the last 10 months now, and I definitely want to keep it growing. And currently the top is around 4 1/4 inches long, and that is the final outcome of this hairstyle. Thanks to Jeff from Barbers of Greengate and St. George for always hooking me up with really dope cuts. I'll be sure to link their site down below. Now, just to give you guys a quick hairstyle update, yes, I'm still rocking a slick back. However, recently I've been playing around with more loose and messy slick backs. So with that said, of course, I never go without Ocean Sea Salt Spray. This product is the foundation to having a great hairstyle, in my opinion. I don't see how a dude can go without it, honestly. Next, I blow dried my hair all back and slightly to the left. And occasionally I blow dried my hair in the opposite direction just to create some lift and slight volume. And to give your hair crazy high hold, Ocean Clay is my recommended choice. In all honesty, even though this is my product, this is the best clay I've ever used, hands down. And that's always the goal with every product we release, to make sure it's the best we've ever used. To me, I mean, that's just a must. But hey, as always, feel free to go with whatever you prefer. As you can see, I've created an off-centered middle part while finger combing it all back. And like I mentioned, I've definitely been keeping my hairstyle a lot more messy and loose lately. Like most women, my wife actually loves when my hair is more relaxed, you know, when a few hair strands are falling down or a little out of place. It gives off a really confident vibe.